Hi, this is Rakesh Roy and watching Real Technology. In this video, we will show you how to delete automatically all the temporary file when your system start. Normally we can run the command in run temp%temp. So once we put the command in run, we can see all the temporary files here. So as you can see, 3000 plus files are here. All are temporary file. So we'll create a script. So for that we need to go to empty file. Anywhere you can create the file. So in my case I'm creating the file in music. So just create a temporary file and open it. Okay, so once open, copy paste the command. I will provide you in the video description. So just copy and paste it here and save the file at the same location. And the file name should be .bed. You can set up the any name, in my case I will set up a temp delete.bed. The file name should be bit.bed and save it at the same location. Okay, this is the music only. So I've created the file. Let's check whether it is created or not. So it is not reflecting here. Just need to refresh the folder, so it will come up. Yes, you can see. So the other file is not required now, so we can delete that file. Let's delete it. So it is deleted now. If you want, you can check whether the file is created successfully or not. So in the properties you can see the file extension is bat only. So let's close the file and set up the other things. So now click on start menu and search task scheduler and open it. So once open, there is right side this option. If you click on it, it will open a small pop-up here. We have to give a title here and the description. You can mention anything as you want, and in the description if you skip also it will work, but we will just simply copy and paste it here. Click on next. Then you can see all the tasks you can schedule daily basis, weekly. All these options are here, so we will select this option. So once our machine starts, then it will run. So click on next and don't select any other option here, and simply click on next. Then we have to browse the path script from here. Just click on browse and go to that location. So in my case it is music, so it is inside music. So this is the file. Click on OK and the file is added here. Click on next. Then don't select any other option here, simply click on next here and it's done. So task is scheduled now. So here how you will see the task is scheduled or not. So for that you have to select this second option. Here you will see all the scheduled tasks, and you can edit all the tasks, delete. So many options are here. So one by one you can see all the scheduled task is showing here. So at the bottom our new task is showing delete temp file task, this last one. So if you want, we can edit or delete this script, or we can run also. So before restart we'll run once and check whether it is working or not. So just click on run, it will start the script. So it is working. It will take a few seconds, then it will show the result and we can check in temp file. So it is completed, as you can see. So if I go to temp folder again, so earlier it was 3000 plus, so now it is reduced. So this few applications are running, that's why this temporary files are showing. It's okay. So this script is working fine now. You can restart and check after that also. So thanks for watching, and if you are new in our video, do like, subscribe to our channel. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.